Hello guys, today I am in this video showing the new mini bike. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So I am opening the hill climb racing. So guys, have opened the new mini bike. So I will start this on the countryside. So let's start the game. So guys, you can see how the bike is going faster and I'm enjoying this bike. Give down comment to buy another which bike or car should buy. Give comment down. So guys, I will play at the end, up to the end. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. So guys, I want to end the game in the countryside. Oh, what a funny. So guys, I'll play in seasons. Let's start the game. Season 1. Oh. Oh, what suspension. What a suspension. So we Oh, I have picked the football. Oh, you can see in the silencer the fire is coming. I will show now. Oh. Oh. Oh, I am not going. Oh, my series is coming ending. Here we go. Oh no. Driver down. Oh. Guys, I'll play now in highway. Let's start. So see guys, in the silencer the fire is coming. See. Oh. Bill is very enjoying guys. Oh. Oh, stoppy. Oh no. Driver down. So guys, now I will play in moon. Oh. I cannot play in moon, guys. I will try again. Oh, I'm flying. Oh. Oh. So bye. So bye, guys. Subscribe my channel and do not forget to like the video. So give comment down, guys, to which bike to go. Bye, guys.